Hello students, by this video let us study about hepatitis, a viral disease. Hepatitis is inflammation of the liver. What do you mean by inflammation? Inflammation is swelling that happens when tissues of the body are injured or infected. It can damage your liver. This swelling and damage can affect how well your liver functions. Hepatitis can be acute short-term infection or chronic long-term infection. Hepatitis can be caused due to viruses, alcohol consumption, intake of drugs or various chemicals. Now let's see about hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is caused by hepatitis A virus. The mode of transmission is by fecal oral route. The symptoms of hepatitis A is loss of appetite, diarrhea, fever, nausea, that is a sickness of vomiting, malaise, general discomfort, and jaundice, yellow skin. So the recovery time for hepatitis A is 6 weeks and no permanent damage of liver is seen in this case. Now let us look into the hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is caused by hepatitis B virus. So the mode of transmission is by sexual contact, contaminated needles, and is also spread via infection of tears or saliva. So cirrhosis of liver or liver cancer may be the outcome of this hepatitis B virus. So vaccines are available for prevention. Next comes the hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is caused by hepatitis C virus. So the mode of transmission is also by blood to blood transmission. So liver cirrhosis, liver cancer. So all these are the serious effects of hepatitis C, and the symptoms may not be seen, that's why it's asymptomatic, and sometimes flu-like symptoms may also occur. Next comes hepatitis D, is caused by hepatitis D virus. This can only be infected with hepatitis D. If you have hepatitis B already, then hepatitis D infection can be seen inside the hepatitis B patients. So this hepatitis D is at a greater risk of liver failure. So increased risk of liver failure, progression to liver cirrhosis is seen in the case of hepatitis D. So hepatitis D transmission is by contaminated needle and also by sexual contact. Now the next hepatitis E. So this is caused by hepatitis E virus. So the mode of transmission is again by fecal oral route. So hepatitis E virus duration is for 2 to 8 weeks. Symptoms like jaundice, nausea, fatigue are commonly seen. So chronic stage, weak immune system at the time of pregnancy, greater risk of liver failure and liver cirrhosis